Afternoon to all. Welcome to ISF College of Pharmacy Moga Punjab YouTube channel. I, Dr. Vivek Asati, Associate Professor, Department of Pharmaceutical Chemistry, welcome you all on behalf of ISFCP Moga Punjab. As we know that 15th July celebrate Youth Skills Day. Today we have a specific session on student skill development program. This skill development program, it facilitates development of career paths for students by skilling them through hands-on training and creating quality jobs through entrepreneurship development program. The objective of program is instilling skills in students at various levels of education and innovative research. It enhancing employability in life science sector. It's generating industry-ready skilled workforce. For the same, we have today with us Dr. G.D.Gupta, Director-cum-Principal ISFCP Moga Punjab. He is also the Chairman STP Skill Vigyan Program Punjab. So without taking much time, I would like to invite Dr. G.D. Gupta sir for his session. Welcome, sir.
Thank you very much, Dr. Asati, and thank you very much, IT team, ISF College of Pharmacy, Moga, and thanks for the Skill Vigyan Center, ISF College of Pharmacy, Moga, for inviting me to deliver a webinar on a special day today. This is the World Youth Skill Day today. So first of all, congratulations to all of you, and I hope that this types of the program enhance the quality and also the skill component to the students. So now I just want to confirm slide is okay, which will.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so thank you very much. So the topic selected for this webinar is the student skill training program, and the World Youth Skill Day. Every year we are going to the celebrate on 15th of the July. But in this year, this World Youth Skill Day is very special, or you can say something is the different, because during this period in the 2 year near about complete 2020 and half of this year, our world is the one of the pandemic situation pass over this time. So number of the difficulty on this day, our worthy Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji is the given to the message, youth need to be connected to a right skill. Wherever there is skilled manpower, there will be development. So this is absolutely true. And there is the theme is given to this one is the very important. So skill, reskill, and upskill. So now not only the one component is sufficient. So I am thankful to our management also, so providing this types of the opportunity to organize this types of the activity. So as you know that why we are going to the World Youth Skill Day and why this is important. So in 2014, the United Nations General Assembly declared 15th July as a World Youth Skill Day to celebrate the strategic importance of the equipping youth people with the skill for employment, decent work, and entrepreneurship. Since then, World Youth Skill Day events have provided a unique opportunity for dialogue between young people, technical persons, vocational courses and educational program and training program. Nowadays, UGC, AICT, and number of other professional body, they have started. Firms, employers and workers, organization, policymaker and development of the partners, they come together, and the dream of our country and dream of our Prime Minister, local to vocal and local to global. So how to the local to the global and how to local to the vocal, this is only possible if we can produce the qualified as well as the skilled people. So this is the need of our country, and the participants have highlighted the ever increasing significance of skill as the world is embarking on a transition towards a sustainable model of the development. So this is the basic concept of the World Youth Skill Day, and trend to the peoples and trend to the students accordingly. What is the skill? So this is the very simple concept. If we can consider our parents, our grandparents, or if you can stay in the village, urban areas, anywhere you are the staying like that, and you feel that the number of the person they have no any degree, and even sometimes they have never visited any institute to any completion of the schooling or any degree, even that they are more skilled and they have more capability to work in various section. Because I know that if the people says that never visited any school or grandfather parents like that, you can check it, but they have the lot of knowledge of the mathematics, they have the lot of knowledge of the crop, they have lot of the knowledge of the environment. So this is not only the experience based, what they did the job, and during the work they have the obtain lot of the skill. So gentlemen, skill is the one of the most important part of your life. Let us consider, if you can do any degree, either as the B Farm, M Farm, M Tech, B Tech, any engineering program, MBA, or any other program you can complete. But these program, and you have also obtained the good mark even in the top or like that anything else, what it is not possible that you are the skilled person. So it is nowadays very important. So the ability to use one's knowledge effectively and ready in execution or performance, this is skill. I want to give it the one example is the here. Let us consider, if you want to drive a four-wheelers and you have taken the driving lessons, after that you have taken the training in the driving school, that's okay. It means you have come to know that how the vehicle move, what you can't do the drive, it is the on the highway. So some people they are the skilled, they can grasp the thing without taking any training to any institution like that a driving school, what they are the skill. So this program, this webinar, especially for the youth, youngster students, even some of the people those who want to work some of the specific purposes. So gentlemen, this is very important to all of you. We can talk and we can complete the situation accordingly. So skills are the expertise or talent needed in order to do a job or task. Job skill allow you to do a particular job, and a life skill help you through the everyday task. Because when you are traveling, when you are moving anywhere, your knowledge, that's okay. What your skill always helpful to you and protect to you and give the new way of origin in your life. So skill is the very important, and each and every qualified person, they are required in this day. Type of skill, it is not essential that one types of the skill is the sufficient, or if you have the one skill that is the okay, no need to the another skill. This is the different thing. It is depend upon to you where you are the working. Let us consider communication skill. This is the one of the important parameter. Let us consider if you are a teacher and you are a qualified of the PhD with the number of the good paper, so many things if you have. But this is very important. If you have no communication quality, then it is very difficult to deliver a effective lecture to the student. Nowadays, what I feel that teamwork concept, most of the person they are sit alone, because during the pandemic situation, number of the articles, number of the messages, and number of things available in the market, and each and every message is the mention that sit alone in a room, you can learn so many things. What so many things is the missing? How to tackle the peoples, how to interact the peoples, what is your behavior, how you can reduce your anxiety, how you can deliver to your concept like that. Each and everything, it will be depend like that. So communication is very important part. Teamwork is the very important part. When we can come together, we can learn so many things. Problem solving, it is not essential that's everything given in the books, given in the journals, given in the some of the article. Number of time what are you doing, it can be create immediately, so that you can how to resolve the problem. This is the another thing. Initiative, it is the very very important. Let us consider I am director, and some of the people is the higher post like the chairman, vice president, president, like that. If you want to grow the system, then it is essential you need to take the initiative. Either you can do any post, teacher, professor, associate professor, head of the department, what you are. What it is essential that when you have the skill, you can generate the new concept, new origin, new program, new way. So this types of the thing, it can be create the initiative, planning and organizing a particular activity. Recently I have received one of the phone call from the government system of the examination. Dr. Gupta, Monday how you can organize the examination. This is the planning forum. So if you can do the proper work in the timely, then I hope that it will be the most effective. Self-management. Number of time, it is not essential that you are in a comfortable zone. It is not essential that what are you thinking it can be acceptable to all of you. So at that time, stress, how you can reduce the anxiety, stress, and how to manage yourself. This is very important, and this is also part of the skill learning, technology, leadership, and negotiation. These types of the concept only develop when you are the skilled with your degree. Now I want to consider one of the example is the here. One person is the mentioned that one of the slide, and there is one of the samosa. Another slide, samosa with one chutney. Another third slide, one samosa with two chutney, and fourth slide is the samosa with the number of chutneys. So he just want to ask that what do you want, where you want to the visit, because where is the number of the option, everybody accept it. It means let us consider if you are B farm, if you are D farm, if you are M farm. Let us consider if any person is the M farm in pharmacology, and person with the one of the additional add-on program or skill program, and person is the skill with the pharmacovigilance, and he is the skill with the some of the software, then it is the have the additional value. Let us consider you did the pharmaceutics. What you have some of the quality of quality, you are the capacity to handling the quality by design. This is the software, SPS, SS software, some of the GastroPlus software. So these things it can be add-on program. Either you can the viability, pharmacokinetic, biostatics, because each and every person is required for the data analysis. It means these program enhance or give the potential value to your degree. Let us consider if any person is the D pharma, what you can do after the D pharma. Just I want to open some of the retail soap, wholesale, like that. So many other the prescription, hospital manage, drug store management, like that. But if you have some of the one additional program, this is the medical store management certificate course, ambulance management certificate course, those types of the thing is the required. If you have the 104 types of the requirement for the handling of the patient, like that, so it will be the helpful to all of you, and it can be increase the value. Means if you have some of the specific type of degree, and with this degree, if you can do some this types of the courses, these programs always very very helpful in your future. Number of time people ask that your father is a businessman and this is your duty, you can after all you can take care of this business, so why are you doing such types of the degree, very big degree or some of the certificate? Gentlemen, if our father, your father, or any person father, if they are the businessman, that's okay. What if you are the qualified and skilled? Then you can grow your business on a fast track more and more, because you have two types of the capability. One, you are the skilled. Another, you have already from your worth, you have taken the training types of difficulty. So this is the another one. And second thing, you are also tuned with the latest technology of the IT. What thing is the required in your business? Either it may be the packaging system, presentation system, or calling of the, you can say, some of the tenders, import export capability, like that. So many things you can do. And nowadays, number of the person, they create the specific HR system in their house, so that it will be the helpful to the individual to communicate the peoples and complete the things which is the essential for each and every person. So leadership quality is also very, very important, because the person, if you are doing anywhere, entrepreneurship quality, leadership quality, self-management, self-learning, learning capacity, technocrat, these things is the very, very important. When we have no such types of the activity, then we can say that this is the inside inbuilt. Gentlemen, God not to provide this types of the things. God will provide the anatomy, physiology to you. This is up to you. What are you seeing? How you are grasping? What is your thinking inside? This is very, very important. If you want to something, then everything is the possible and available near to you. So for this one, skill begin program in India, Department of the Biotechnology, Ministry of the Science and Technology, Government of India. In time to time, they call the proposal for Skill Vigyan Center and Skill Vigyan program, so that we can give the skill training to the peoples. And this is the recent, because I want to give over here, and I am thankful to the Punjab State Council for Science and Technology to provide this opportunity. This institute also submitted one of the project under the category of the Skill Vigyan Center Punjab, and 5 institute they have granted the fund for to run the Skill Vigyan Center in Punjab and grow the student in their different field. And one of them is the ISF College of Pharmacy. So our partner of this the technical, this is the Skill Vigyan. These are the 5 institute, and knowledge partner is the LSSDC. So gentlemen, recently Punjab State Council for Science and Technology just started the Skill Vigyan Center, and they have given the advertisement in the Tribune, and today this advertisement is the published in the paper, and this is the news. So this is the good opportunity to Punjab State skill student, those have the education. I will give the education qualification. First, you can go through it. You can visit the website isfcp.org/skill vigyan, and you can find out the each and everything what is the required, and it is the given. So last date for receiving the application is 3rd of August, and after that scrutiny on the 3, 4, 5 days, we can announce the another part of this one. This is the examination. So this is the purely multiple choice types of the examination, and after the result declare and seat allotment may be take place. So this is the admission procedure. Eligibility is the BSc with biology, biotechnology, chemistry, biochemistry, and microbiology. It means any person BSc in biology, or BSc in biotechnology, BSc in chemistry, BSc in biochemistry as a one subject. Because I know that BSc, this is the very, very number of the groups. So any person either in 3 subjects, one of the biology, biochemistry, chemistry, biochemistry, microbiology, then he is the eligible to appear in this examination. As major subject preferably is the B Farm, D Pharmacy, B Tech Biotechnology, and Chemical Engineering. So this is the qualification. Now another part is the number of the question asked the people. Let us consider, if you are D Farm, you are eligible to apply in this skill courses. Second is the degree is complete is required before to start the session. It means those students appeared in this year in 2020-21 and they have appeared in the final year examination and awaiting the results, they are eligible to appear either any system BSc or you can say B Farm, M Farm, BTech or chemical engineering like that. No any students are eligible those who are in the any intermediate semester. Let us consider some of these students, they have now in this year academic session 2020-22 in final year, it means in 7th semester, they are not eligible. Means either complete degree or the final semester examination given or appeared and awaiting the result, they may be considered for the examination and also the merit position. So this is very, very important. Now the another question, the student of the M Farm. So obviously M Farm, when you will did the M Farm? After the completion of the B Farm. So there is the no problem. So any student minimum degree is the D Farm or B Farm. So either if you are the D Farm or B Farm, you are eligible to appear these types of the program. Selection procedure, candidates will be selected based on the merit of the oblique entrance test. Let us consider if the number of the seat is the more than sufficient, then on the merit base we can go on it. And let us consider there is the total seat is the 280, student near about this one, then the merit position. If the huge of the registration it may be take place, then we can go to the entrance examination. So the test will be of the 100 marks, including section A. A section is the common section of the all graduate diploma holder to all. This is the 50 marks. Section B, degree specific. So there is the 3 paper. One is the background of the pharmacy, one is the background of the science, and one is the background of the engineering. So this is the option to the student. One is common and one on the basis of their specialization. No negative marking and reservation of the candidate as per the government norms. So gentlemen, you can visit the site isfcp.org/i/skill-vigyan. There is the portal and everything is the given there. In the last point, this is the registration, and on the last page there, apply on it and you can submit your application. So don't to misguide yourself and don't to misguide the system. Number of time people they have start to the registration. So one person, one registration with the one mobile, there is the no any multiple choice for the registration. So any student, they can be select the 3 institution and 3 program, either in the same or different. This is up to you. So first 3 choice of the student, it will be the considered for the eligibility criteria for the basis of the merit. Fellowship and certificate, this is very, very, very important. If you can appear in the program, there is the fees. It is required to pay by you. What this is the skill Vigyan program. It will be the given by the DBT, supported by the Department of the Biotechnology, funded by the government. That is why 5,000 rupees per month stipend will be given to each student for 3 months. I again repeated, this is the government funded project run by the Punjab State Council for Science and Technology, and the examination and the certificate given by the Life Science Sector Skill Development Council, LSSDC. It means for one certificate program, our Punjab State Science Council was technology is the involved. Another one is the LSSDC is involved. Another one is the Technical Partner Institute is involved. There is the three important parts they are involved in this one. So after this is the 3-month program. Every month 5,000 rupees scholarship to each student. And after the successful completion of the program, examination will be conducted by the LSSDC and also certificate given to each and every participant. And I hope that this certificate is the highly beneficial to each and every student. So this is the throughout open to the, you can say, country. What reservation policy as per the Punjab state government? It means 85% of the Punjab state and 15% of the other state, and 85 have the again the reservation as the general, SC, ST, OBC, like that. In the same way as the open state is the also. So most probably number of the state they are the running skill Vigyan program. So I hope if any person have any question, they are required to send their information on you can say chat box, or if you are connect, then you can ask direct to me. So both things it is the applicable to all of you. These are the certificate programs. So total is the 280 seats. Quality control chemist, this is the one of the certification program running by ISF College of Pharmacy, Chitkara University, Riyat and Vara. In each program 20 seat. QA chemist equipment validation, this is ISF College of Pharmacy, Riyat and Vara University, Chandigarh University, and each program is 20 seats. Production manufacturing chemist and life sciences, the National Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research. In each program is the 20 seat. Scientific medical writing, ISF College of Pharmacy and Chitkara University. In each category 20. Stability specialist science, ISF College Pharmacy is running only 20. Quality management system in charge, this is the NIPA 20 seat. Validation equipment, this is the ISF College of Pharmacy. Quality control chemist microbiology in Chitkara University with the 20 seat. So gentlemen, now the eligibility I again to discuss over here. Eligibility is the D Farm, B Farm, BSc with the different group already given is the chemistry, microbiology, biotechnology, like that. And BTech is the also they are eligible. So important over is the here how to select this course. I have already mentioned that you can select the program course which will provide the help to your basic degree. Let us consider if the person is the pharmacy background and they want to serve in the industry, so quality control chemist, quality chemist equipment, stability specialist, these are the helpful to the student. If the person, if they are the pharmacology person and the orientation of the, you can say they have the skill of the writing, they can move toward this one. So there is the, this is very important, scientific medical writing. Nowadays, lot of scope is there. So if you have any doubt, phone and number of all part is the given on our website. So you can go through it. There is the some of the queries. These are the some of the ISF College of Pharmacy. This is the email number, phone number. Punjab State Council for Science and Technology. Dr. Dipinder Bakshi ji, she is the Joint Director. Phone number, email is given. And Naipar, Chitkara, Riyadh groups, and Chandigarh. So all are is the given on the website. You can visit the website and you can take all opportunity. So I hope that we can run this show after completion of the registration. We can conduct the test very fast mode and then immediately we can give the result to the students. So this is the planning of our nodal coordinators, and time to time those students registered, they will take the information on the basic mode, which is the essential to every student. So I hope that this is the good opportunity to all young youth to be the add-on values in with their degree. So I hope that, thank you very much to all for listening me. If any question, any doubt, you're welcome. You can discuss to me, or you can ask directly, or you can visit our website. So thank you very much, and I hope that if you have any doubt, any question, you're welcome. So over to Vivek Asati ji. If you have any question, you're welcome.
Thank you, sir. On
Asati ji.
hello.
Yes, yes,
On
please.
behalf
So you
of
have received any
yes,
you have
sir.
in chat box any question?
No, sir.
Hello,
No, sir. No
good
any
afternoon, sir.
question.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, Vinci. Yes, please.
Sir, this platform is online only or offline based?
This is
जो
the very,
इस
very good question to ask by you, because this is the also we are the feel that nobody is asking this question, because these are the very, very small group, and as per the COVID guidelines, we can follow it, and most probably because these are the basically courses based on the training, workshop based training, the equipment, not only this is the we can deliver the lecture. So I hope that within or during the month of the August, September, what it will be the going on, we can go with the government guideline, but this is the small batch. So most probably this is the only and only offline one.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you. Any other question? Anybody have any question? Please. Hello, Dr. Sant.
हाँ मोगा जी कुछ पूछना चाहते हैं? मोगा जी क्या कहना चाहते हैं? वन ऑफ दी पर्सन संत जी.
Dr.
Good
Sant, do you
afternoon.
have any question?
Sir, what type of additional occasional training are beneficial for the PhD persons
Okay, so PhD, one of the
under
highest
this
degree.
program?
So this is not for, you can say, if any PhD person and they want to just move in the industry, then I hope that if the pharmacy peoples and they are want to the go in the pharmacovigilance, or they can want to the go some types of the CROs like that, then the medical writing is the one of the option. And another thing is the stability. So it is depend upon the field, because here is only the 8 sections. So not only 8 is the sufficient. If you can visit the LSSDC site, there is the near about number of the program for the all the way. But this is the first time in the Punjab, so only the 8 courses approved by the government, and we are the running basically based on the engineering background, pharma background, as well as the basic science background. If the person is the PhD and they are the interesting in the writing skill, or they want to the serve the industry, on the basis of this one, they can be select the program and they can opt according.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, sir.
Dr. Sunil
So
Gupta,
I think
have
okay,
any
Saurabh.
question?
I think Pratik ji has raised the hand during.
Yes, Pratik ji, please.
Sir?
Yes. No voice, Pratik ji. So I think some of the problem in the like that in communication. So I hope everything is the fine. We can person will be personally, they can also interact, but all peoples, they are required to give the instruction to their students, and some of the postgraduate students, they have submitted the project, nearby submission of the project, and they want to appear in this examination. All are welcome. Thank you, Sadi ji.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Good day, sir.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Good day, sir. Thank you, sir.